Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to link to another page on Wix website. For example, I'm currently on my Wix website. All you'll need to do is simply scroll down and let's say, for example, I would like to link to another page right here where you see click here. All I would need to do is go onto the text that I would like to add the link to. So let's say, for example, click here. So you're going to select the text. Then from there, you're going to see a text box pop up. You're going to tap on the link icon. After selecting the link icon, you can tap on page. Then from here, you can tap choose a page and you can select the page that you would like to link to. So you can select any one of these pages or you can choose to add a new page. So for example, let's say I would like to link to the eat page. Then from there, you can select how does it open. Will it be open in a new tab? You can tap on new tab, new window right here, or if you want it to stay in the current window. After you're finished, you're going to simply tap on done. Then from there, you could tap on publish and that's it. So that is how to interlink pages on Wix website. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.